Guys, Outhouse Gaming and Kicking Rocks Exploring, another firework demo. This is the mini shell kit by Winda Fireworks. They are teeny tiny little shells.
Yeah, they're little
but
baby.
it's a reloadable artillery tube.
Okay,
so
go at it.
I
will hold it for you. Yeah, so guys, if you will subscribe to any of our channels, that would be very appreciated. Oh crap! Okay, so that was the baby artillery shell,
here,
like
we'll do one more.
The tiny ones by Winda Fireworks. We're gonna do one more, just for a little authenticity, because I think I kind of missed the shot too. Okay.
Oh shit!
Oh, I missed the shot.
You missed the shot twice?
Come on. Okay, this is the last one.
I don't have that one right now.
Oh.
I think that's enough.
Okay, wait, you have them in your hands.
No, it's all later.
Oh.
Here, give me that.
Okay. See you guys.